So let's start test series 8. Our first question is, with what is non-stick kitchenware coated? Option A graphite, B silicone, C glass and D Teflon. So the answer is option D Teflon. Second question, among mosquitoes, which of the following are blood feeders found throughout the world? Option A Culex and Anopheles, B Anopheles and Aedes, C Aedes and Culex and D Culex, Anopheles and Aedes. So here this Culex, Anopheles and Aedes type of mosquitoes are blood feeders which are found throughout the world. So option D is the correct answer. Third question, which of the following creatures are stone deaf? Option A snakes, B lizard, C parrots and D ants. So option A snakes are stone deaf. Fourth question, the fingerprints of Siamese twins are option A identical, B not identical, C identical more often and D identical less often. The correct answer is option B, they are not identical. Fifth question, though their diet is higher in meat and fat and lower in fruits and vegetables, who of the following are known to be free from heart diseases like heart attacks, unlike others in the world? Option A Eskimos, B Pygmies, C Nagas and D Tatars. So the correct answer for this is Eskimos. Eskimos they live in eastern Siberia, at Alaska, Canada and Greenland. Now Pygmies here, they live in Africa and Congo regions. Nagas live in Nagaland, Manipur, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Myanmar regions, and Tatars live in Central Russia. So here Eskimos is the correct answer, option A. Now coming to sixth question, which of the following is contagious? Option A snoring, B gnashing, C yawning and D vomiting. So option C yawning is a contagious disease. So seventh question, it is not a contagious disease, it is contagious. Seventh question, where is a black box fitted in planes? Option A in the cockpit, B in tail end, C in the left wing and D in the right wing. So this black box is generally fitted in cockpit. Cockpit means a section where the pilot and co-pilot manage aircraft. So that region is called cockpit and black box is generally fitted in that region. So next option A is the correct answer. Now next coming to eighth question, after parboiling, the nutritive value of rice, option A increases, B decreases, C neither increase nor decrease and D either increase or decrease. So option A is the correct answer, the nutritive value of rice increases. And here parboiling means to cook partly. Okay, now ninth question, bulletproof vests are made from a fabric of option A silicon nitrate and jute, B thickly mixed cotton and jute, C nylon and D copper and steel wires. So here the answer is option A silicon nitrate and jute. 10th question, why does trees shed their leaves in the winter season? Option A to conserve heat, B to rest before the summer growth, C to conserve water, D to escape being eaten by animals. So the correct answer is to conserve water. 11th question, in which of the following atmospheric conditions can seeds be preserved best? Option A cool and dry, B cool and wet, C hot and dry and D hot and wet. So here in cool and dry conditions, the seeds can be preserved best. So option A is the correct answer. Coming to 12th question, the egg sinks in tap water but floats in the concentrated solution of salt because option A, the egg absorbs salt from solution and expands, B, albumin dissolves in salt and the egg becomes lighter, C, the density of the salt solution exceeds the density of egg, D, tap water has higher surface tension. So here generally the egg sinks in tap water but floats in concentrated solution of salt because the density of salt solution exceeds the density of the egg. Okay, option C is the correct answer. Now coming to the 13th question, which of the following planets is similar to our Earth in mass, size and density? Option A Mars, B Venus, C Mercury and D Uranus. So here the correct answer is Venus. Venus is also called our Earth's twin. So option B is the correct answer. Now coming to 14th question, which of the following are correct regarding original jurisdiction of Supreme Court? Option A 1, first statement, recovery of damages by the state against the center. Second statement, a dispute between two or more states. Third statement, a disputes regarding elections to either House of Parliament or that of legislature of the state. Fourth, a dispute between government of India and one or more states. So select the correct answer using code option A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 2 and 4 and D 1 and 3. So here the original jurisdiction solves the disputes between two or more states and also the disputes between the government of India and one or more states. So option 2 and 4 is the correct answer. Option C is the right one. Okay, it doesn't tell a judgment on the recovery of damages by state against center, and also it doesn't involve in the dispute regarding elections to either House of Parliament or that of state legislature. Okay, 1 and 3 are wrong and 2 and 4 are the correct answers. Option C is the right one. 15th question, what are the consequences if the Arctic region ice melts? 1, the rotation of earth decreases. 2, severe cold conditions will prevail in northwestern Europe. Now which of the following are correct? Option A 1, B only 2, C 1 and 2 and D none. So here if the ice in the Arctic region melts, then the rotation of the earth decreases. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. 16th question, the terms Satamana and Krishnala in the later Vedic period is referred to. Option A, religious rituals, B, coins made of gold and silver, C, god and goddesses, and D, republic and monarchical type of polity. So here this Krishnala and Satamana is related to the coins made of gold and silver. So option B is the correct answer. 17th question, E-Santa is related to. Option A, digital trade dispute redressal mechanism of European Union and India. Option B, commodity trade platform of Indian Energy Exchange, that is IEX. Option C, electronic platform to connect aqua farmers and buyers in India. Option D, initiative of the government of UP to promote COVID-19 vaccination. So here the correct answer is option C. E-Santa is related to the electronic platform to connect aqua farmers and buyers in India. So coming to the 18th question, International Comparison Program ICP guided by the World Bank is aimed at the international comparison of option A, financial inclusion, B, gross domestic product, C, poverty alleviation, and D, women empowerment. So here actually the financial inclusion here means the availability and equality of opportunities to access financial services, and here poverty alleviation means to reduce the poverty. Okay, so here now here the ICP guided by World Bank is aimed to the comparison of GDP, that is gross domestic product. Okay, option B here is the correct answer. 19th question, state which of the following statements regarding solar minimum is correct. First statement, it is also known as lunar eclipse. Second statement, it is a part of 11-year solar cycle marked by the decrease of sunspot and solar flares. Option which of the following are correct? Option A 1, B 2, C 1 and 2 and D none. So here the solar minimum is actually known as the Maunder minimum, not lunar eclipse. So first statement is wrong. It is known as Maunder minimum. Okay, so only second statement is correct. So option B is the correct answer. Now coming to 20th question, which of the following is not correct with reference to the status of women in Sangam age, that is between 3rd century BC to 3rd century AD? First, option A, women are allowed to choose their own life partners. Option B, the practice of sati was prevalent in highest strata of society. Option C, widow remarriage was prevalent. Option D, women excelled in education and arts. So here the correct statement is option C, widow remarriages was prevalent. And all these other three are related to the Vedic society. That is, women were allowed to choose their life partners is included in Vedic society, and the practice of sati was prevalent in the highest strata of society during the 13th century. And here women excelled in education and arts also in the Vedic society. So here overall option C is the correct answer. Now coming to the 21st question. Which of the following conditions the president can declare a state of emergency? Option A, in the state of external invasion or internal disturbance. Option B, when the rule of law breaks down in some states. Option C, instability in financial conditions. And option D, none of the above. So here, in a state of external invasion or internal disturbances, the president can declare a state of emergency. So option A is the correct answer. Now coming to the 22nd question. Sitting of Supreme Court takes place in New Delhi under some unavoidable circumstances. By whose permission can the CJI shift the sitting place elsewhere? Option A, President. B, Parliament. C, on the request of Legislative Assembly. D, on the decision of majority of judges. So here option A is the correct answer. CJI can shift the sitting place with the permission of the President. Okay, option A is the correct answer for this question. 23rd question. First of all, the hypothesis of the formation of constitution originated in which of the following countries? Option A, France. B, Switzerland. C, Britain. D, Japan. It is in Japan. Option D is the correct answer. 24th question. Who among the following is associated with Indian civilization? Option A, Sir Besant Smith. B, D.D. Goswami. C, Alexander Wingham. D, Mortimer Campbell. So the answer is option C, Sir Alexander Wingham. 25th question. Which of the following diseases spread due to virus? Option A, diphtheria. B, influenza. C, typhoid. And D, cholera. So here option D is the correct answer, because diphtheria is caused by the bacteria called Corynebacterium diphtheriae, and typhoid is caused by the bacteria called Salmonella typhi bacteria, and cholera is caused by the bacteria called Vibrio cholerae bacteria. So all these are caused by bacteria except the influenza. So option B is the correct answer.